Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Brian Masika Reaction. So guys, I want us today to watch all about it has been Jamaica's all about the culture, music and food. It's all about praises about Jamaica. But in the today's video I want us to watch not only those are happening in Jamaica, but we have got talents full of comedy. So in the today's video I want us to watch together and crack our ribs together as we see these talented comedians in the Jamaican. So remember, it is if it is your very first time coming across any of my video, remember to like, share, comment, and kindly not forgetting to subscribe. Let's give this video a thumbs up. And all to my all returning viewers, thank you for always coming back and always supporting me. So let's work together and I'll be back with more comments.
Imagine if Jamaica had like a superior army in the world. I think we'd have been probably the most unorganized army. We never hear like that the warning signs for different countries. You know, like work, work, work. You know, for sure said danger. Jamaica one with a different. Jamaica you'd hear whoa, whoa. Our dress code would have been terrible. Everybody wear boots. We wear clocks. I said, you cannot go to war like that. Don't tell me that. Where you talk about? Where you talk about? Be clean. Yeah, instead of helmet, the man will wear kerchief. We now last one day. Now, first of all, if war starts 7 o'clock, we're late. You know what?
Melissa! Melissa! Alright. Before you come on land, me have a list of people who want you take. Take all the gunmen, them bad mind, thief and rapists. Take all of the girls that wanna give a free fuck. Take all the man that wanna mind them youth. Take JPS, them too expensive. Take Andrew only. But I tell you to take EU boss, but him gone to England and smell the rat. Take Money Idol boss, I be a foolish him sing. Take Annie and the Ants family, we're tired of them, and take away Annie old car. Take Jalen because every girl him want to eat. Take Shibada the old fridge where him sit down pan. But I tell you to take Rosalie, but she too heavy for you. I want you. Your bad mind, leave the girl BMW alone. Take Monster boss because he don't want to toilet. Yaga America though. Yeah. Take Auntie than a passport and she steal the transmission them over there. Take Bind for your wine pan him egg tap. Take Zuma for your backing fist when the mother get fucked. Leave Jakes alone and him new house, him have ambition. Take Jabas because he mash up the one view. Take Mackerel because she an informer. Take Cuz for your call him baby mother auntie. Take Dirty Zozo and leave Brit alone. Alright, I eat that. You miss one person. Who that?
So I stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, say you get a back shot. That me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
Oh, me I make the thing look away.
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back.
What? you get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back. No, brother. No. I know say it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get. Charge you, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over. Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, cause me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in. No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself. Officer reporting. So me nobody want your help. Me I report a sexual assault in the RF3 area, you know. A man come to me and I tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot. Yeah.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
Come in here with your cousin about saying, as my pass. Where so much fly I go? I say this is a fly for a fish. I just want class in the because all at yellow one. Me don't know say at yellow man culture.
Okay, up to mine culture.
So me come here up and phone to the pan. Buy me two this, buy me two that, buy me two. Me just say other two something for me too. Me hear about Yamid, me never hear about ground provision yet.
You know what I said? At 3 years now the landlord I look here.
Where's that?
3 years now the landlord I look here and can't see her now. All know him can't find her.
Nothing can tell me so the girl not on pedestrian crossing from the landlord bed. He might lay down and she and step over she at night time. Nothing can tell me that. One thing with a girl their body good if me cut a heel back material. It can't rub down. No man, you lick me out of spite now, Cassie. You lick me out of spite. Don't do that, man.
But are we going to push Shibata?
Some of them must go on. I'm here to hear that's the only thing Michael Jackson could have did left here. No man, you better take something from Whitney. God believe my man, you're not too provoking. No, girl, stop it. Don't do them virgin laugh there because the whole of we know say you're not virgin.
You don't know nothing about me, Shibata. Who send you? Who send you come from Shibata?
Girl, everybody them look on and build the new highways. All Chinese are
come my body strong.
Look on the ocean and go and like see them an eagle eye. Nothing about you,
Shibata, nothing about you. Who send call you?
Digital send call me is a memory chip and I want to lodge right there so that him can come back.
Fish. Tongue.
I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me. He threatened me.
We can have a Jamaican president. Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad. Just what Rosa said? Rosa said something? Say it again, Rosa. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button. You don't see the button. You don't want me to push that button.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, Bobo lick shot. Hi, man, a brethren is a Jamaican. Look at this. Quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never gonna see a Jamaican guy that grew up in a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, wappening. It's not gonna happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's... You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me two. Is it ripe? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
But the bravest thing I ever see is war reporters. War reporters. The reporter doesn't have a gun. He's got a mic and a cameraman. And I will say, I notice we don't have a lot of black war reporters. Now, I'm British and proud of, but my family are originally from Jamaica. I don't think you could force a Jamaican reporter to report live from a war zone. It would sound a little bit like this. We start off in the studios. And over to our Jamaican war correspondent in Iraq, Delroy Wilson. Delroy, how's things out there? Delroy would be, I don't know, Trevor. I'm in my house right now. Yes, man, me and the cameraman. We have a Budweiser and watching CNN News. Look freaking bad out there. So we decide we're not going. This is Delroy Wilson reporting live from my front room.
Charles. Eh? Are the sun or the moon that?
I don't know, I don't live in this area.
By the way, you was late this morning.
I know, but I couldn't help it. I had was to go down to the police station.
For what?
My brother is with the police.
I didn't know so your brother in the police force.
No, man, you're mad. He have ambition. He is not a police, but the police hold him.
So what them hold him for?
Because them see me walk with his finger like this, because he have stiff finger, and them hold him say he's a pickpocket.
Ah, so your brother is a pocket picket?
No, man. He is not a pocket picket. I mean, picket pocket. No, he's nothing like that, man. That's why I go and bail him.
You're still late?
Yes, but on my way back I get a puncture tire.
Then how you manage to puncture your tire?
Me run over one bottle.
So, voila. You never see the bottle?
No. The drunk man have it in his pocket.
You're still late?
Yes, but at the same time now the truck driver run over my brother.
So, the driver never see your brother?
Yes, but he never knows you're my brother. He not even know me.
So your brother dead?
No, but the doctor said if he not dead, he will live.
You're going to call me fool again? Yes, a big man like you so stupid. Tell me, you know how old I am? Of course. How old am I? Hold on. 32. How you know? Because I have a little brother who is 16 and him is a half idiot.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by a man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, "Me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon." Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here. Yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum-pum deserves shelter." I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
When I was 6, right? My neighbor was half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
How old is the neighbor? When you are 6?
Yeah.
I know you are 12. So how old is the neighbor?
Yeah.
But me never know the neighbor age at the moment, so I never know the neighbor at the moment, at the time, in the position. So how couldn't me know the neighbor age at the time? Me never know them at all, so I couldn't never say nothing.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like the Yankee. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. I got Jamaican saying, I'm frightened.
Anytime you put it on, I no Gucci and no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your body full of corn. I make your favorite one a Roger Clark farm. And that I want anytime you put it on. I no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your witch you never born. And it's in your dung a mark figure bomb. Hey boy, it's up.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney. I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man, thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we're taking the plane. All you hear is... sit down! Talk about hijack your mother! They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
The baby them could have been drowned in. We need justice, real justice we need. Justice we need. One bag of furniture. And on a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rat nut. And a 30 grand and a 10 grand night table, touch lamp. Everybody, flat screen in there, mash up. flood out the shit water and gully water. Nobody not come for look. Uncle the cameraman, it can't work, so we need justice! Justice! We need justice! We need justice! Over the yard there and the other yard, we need it. Can't you see the condition we're in? And the germs and the nasty. Right now on the left foot, a fly started the place. 2 baby there, they don't look good. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work here, we start. We need him. We want back everybody.
At least Jamaicans have real bad man. Like, we're not promote violence, but if you're going to do something, you do it correctly. No, like, Jamaican bad man, a real bad man. Like, if they're going to rob somebody, them do it straight. Go up to them and say, yo, puss sword. Empty everything out of your pocket. No. Not Africans, not Africans. Them not the real bad man. If them want to rob you, them just send you an email.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Up here is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behaviour.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You. K-A... Wrong! Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a tarate, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. Today, we're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your cake. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for 3 things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you and your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man. You cut them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on me blood clot, Ross class. And me say come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Any Jamaicans here? I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna go find out for you. Hey, that's my time. I ain't gonna say what up.
We can have a Jamaican president? Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad. Just what Rosa said? Rosa said something? Say it again, Rosa. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button? You don't see the button? You don't want me push that button?
So guys, hope we've watched those beautiful and nice comedies which comes from Jamaican. You see, Jamaicans has got those hidden talents. We have only just known them for the music only and the culture and their food. But this time round, they have come with something different on the ground. So it was videos full of pure comedy. This is talent. So what else should be Jamaican be given, because they have dominated in any given entertainment sector, because if it for they have those very very good artists, very good live performance. So from reggae music, dancehall music. So what else should we, which other credit is are we supposed to give the Jamaican? I don't see, because they have won everything. They have won our hearts. They have won everything. So this time around, they have come with. They have just decided to crack our ribs, because they have said it is not. You are not supposed to be entertained with music only, but you are supposed again to be cracking your ribs with, you're supposed to be cracking your ribs with some pure comedy. Remember, in the department of entertainment is comprised of a lot of things. So in the department of entertainment, you find we have music, we have news. So but this time round, they decided that it is all about comedy. So guys, these people from Jamaica, they are so talented in their comedy. You can't even imagine these are the people who always sings for us, producing music. Yeah. So it is so grateful that a Jamaica, a country from Caribbean, a country on an island that dominates fully, produces fully pure comedy, nothing else but talented, very talented comedy that everyone else is eyeing, and everyone else can't skip looking and watching their videos. Remember, Jamaica has been dominance in in like everything in this world, because the Jamaica, even there was a time that became, the people were saying that let Jamaica be the capital, the world's capital. But people said, yeah, it is, let Jamaica be given its credits, because you see this time round they have come with something very unimaginable. Who else knew that we have comedians in Jamaica? Like, for instance, let me just ask, who else knew that Jamaicans have got comedians? Even me, I myself, I have just confirmed it that Jamaica is just on another level, that they produce. I even, like, I think Jamaica has got all of those talents that are in the world, because which other talent do we want? Which other talent? Because when it comes to running, they are there. When it comes to music, they are there. When it comes to people with good hearted, they are there. When it comes to food and culture, they have stolen the show. So I don't know which other title should we give this Jamaican, because Jamaican has already won the heart of the globally. Jamaica has done it. So this is to say that, yeah, each and every day Jamaica is bringing up is bringing up in every department. Jamaica is bringing up a talent. Yeah, they are nurturing a talent in every department. But the one that has shocked the world is this one of the comedy. The comedy, for you that courage to gather people and make them laugh for more than 1 hour, 2 hours, that's something you should not joke about, because that's a pure talent. That's a talent, that's a God-given talent that it is in this Jamaican, because it is not that easy. For instance, if someone tells you that I'm going to do a comedy tomorrow, I'll be hosting a comedy tomorrow, a comedy show tomorrow, everybody's all about, that's not so funny. But you see, these Jamaicans, whatever they are doing, when they call up a show, the show is full of fun. So when these Jamaicans call up a show, the show is full, and in any whatever the entrance fee, the gate fee, it is being given. Nobody complains about it. They pay because they know whatever they are going to get inside, it is pure and happiness, because they are going there to relax their mind. They are going to laugh. They are going to crack their ribs, because nothing just comes from Jamaica that is unvaluable. Everything that comes from Jamaica is just valuable, and it's just adorable, because you can't just miss to attend any. When you just hear the word Jamaica, you can't even just keep it, because Jamaica is the best and has got the best talent in the world. So you see, these comedians have just shocked the world, because no one knew that there is an hidden talent of comedy. But the people have it that Jamaica has got the best comedian in the world, and they have stolen the show. So people are all over the world. So when I check on my comment section, they are all about that. I have just laughed to the fullest. These people can't just stop producing the best. Yeah. Another one says that it's I have since I was I have just been used to the white comedy, but when I came across this video, I'm telling you, I've just loved with all of my families, and we are all about, wow, what a talent from Jamaica. Yeah, you see, people are even wondering. They have just known Jamaica for their music participants, but this time round the comedy has just stolen people's heart. And the final one is that I didn't knew that Jamaica can produce this good and superb comedians. It was for my very first time, but I love it. So guys, you see, the response that comes from the people globally, it's so good, it's so nice. They are keeping Jamaican, and they are clapping back to the Jamaican. So guys, let's keep on supporting this Jamaica, and my brothers and sisters back in the Caribbean. Let's keep on supporting each other. Let's continue nurturing those talents. Let's keep on doing what is good for us, and let's keep the Jamaican flag flying up. So that was all for now. Till next time, one love. God bless.